I'm going to be honest with you. A lot of people have been asking me, hey, Candace, it looks like you're losing weight. What are you doing? Like, how do you keep the curves popping and nothing stopping you? Well, guys, listen, as you know, we have something called a Fat Blaster Kit. A lot of people are wondering how I'm able to keep some curves. Of course, I got a little work to do. I need to lose a little bit of weight. So I'm going to start my journey again, guys. I'm using a product called Trim 365, which is one of our nutritional sprays that we've had in our product line for a couple years. This is my appetite suppressant. So all I'm going to do is put 8 sprays underneath my tongue, hold it for 30 seconds, swallow it. That's going to be my appetite suppressant. E-cell is going to be my detox. We know with weight loss, detox is important. This isn't just an intestinal detox. This is going to detox your liver, your kidney, your colon, your other organs. It's going to get your body right, speed up your metabolism, and turn your fat into fuel. Our products are safe to use back to back, so I'm going to put 8 sprays of this. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds, swallow it, and then I'm going to hit it with the boost. The booster, like I like to call it, the core keto. Guys, this is for the person who wants to get their belly out the lap. They want to lose the gut, but keep the butt. They don't want the rolls on their back. They want them on the dinner table. So core keto is packed with BHB. It's going to focus on trimming the inches and tricking your body to believe that it's in ketosis. This one tastes like birthday cake. "15 to 30 seconds, swallow it, I'm done." Listen, this is going to help you lose 1 to 2 pounds per day. All I'm going to do is make sure I get adequate water in. I don't have to count calories. I don't have to count carbs. I don't have to do any of that. All I have to do is spray and slay.